Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this event. We are moving to Italy. We are arriving in Italy, the heart of machine builders and innovations in manufacturing. And we are meeting Dr. Elvira Rakova and Luca Pagni, who are working on making production equipment intelligent. So, hi Elvira, how are you?
Hello, Anders. Fine, and you?
I'm excellent. And Luca, happy to have you here. How are you today?
Thank you, I'm good. How are you?
Fantastic. It's so great to have both of you here, and I look forward to our conversation. Can you please tell us a little bit about your work? Are you really making production equipment human?
I wouldn't go that far in a way, but we're making it possible for equipment to communicate and I would say think. Let me show what I mean here. As you can see in the illustration, we have a pneumatic cylinder, and pneumatic cylinders typically are, I call them the muscles of manufacturing. They're stupid. They just do the work, right? No intelligence. But we're changing these rules. Thanks to the Internet of Things, the sensor technology, a cylinder now can tell a lot of things. For example, if it's not working properly, how it can optimize its work and so on. So it's really changing.
That's amazing. So how can managers and operators then communicate with their pneumatic systems if it's getting intelligent?
Well, Anders, there are actually several levels of information as well as communication types. So, for example, we can start with the LED lamps that inform maintenance manager that something is wrong with the component, to the digital twin of the machine, where we can see communication between various components, to the digital twin of the factory, and finally finish with the condition monitoring system that provide information about the energy consumption over months or year, as well as CO2 emissions that actually can help managers to take decisions in the future.
That's quite amazing. It means that it's truly intelligence that you're building into the simplest things. But are these things something for the future, or can you actually find devices with local intelligence already today?
Anders, both. They are for the future, but they are reality today. What we have developed together, the CyPag smart controller, adds basically artificial intelligence to the stupid muscle, therefore understanding how it works and optimizing its operation, optimizing energy consumption, giving a lot of information to the machine. So yes, it's present now.
So you're saying that the most stupid things are getting intelligent, so maybe I should be afraid. But what is the real upside of this for the industry then?
Well, in my opinion, the circular economy is a hot topic right now. And with this technology, we can see dramatic energy savings for the production.
And I would add to Elvira that's also the other hot topic is the predictive maintenance, therefore allowing machine and plants to operate more efficiently, more production output, better uptime, optimization, very important.
Yeah, Luca, but we shouldn't actually scare people about intelligence and the monitoring system. So what we have to pay attention to is just by adding a couple of sensors and also integrating smart systems for condition monitoring, we can finally achieve great results in the energy savings and make our world a better place in the future.
Oh, that's beautiful. And thank you so much, both of you, for giving me this time and this fantastic information. It's very inspiring. And I feel much better about the future after this. But now we have to leave beautiful Italy and we are moving to Norway. So thank you guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.